Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, Ali Shanma here, and I'm going to fly the Eachine E200 Black Hawk UH-60 RC helicopter. After a long time, I came out to enjoy some flights, and I'm gonna fly totally scaled. Let's take off like a scale helicopter. So I'm gonna give it a scaled takeoff. Increase the throttle until it's really light on its skids and landing gear, and you can basically drive it, and then increase the throttle more and take off. There it goes. Beautiful. And now I can take it forward right here and give you some nice cool views. There goes a nice hover against the wind, like a crosswind.
3 minutes.
It has plenty of power. That's what I like about this helicopter, and it can do 3D so nice that you'll be surprised. But hey, who would do 3D on a Black Hawk UH-60 chopper? This baby, we need to fly it, you know, scaled. And it actually sounds really good with, you know, lower head speeds. Just like this. Look at that. Yeah, people ask me, why don't you fly scale? I said, well, I feel like flying scaled is boring, because all you can do is this. But then, you know, that is a scale flying. How much battery I have? Why do I feel I'm running out of throttle? No. There are 3 bits there.
One minute.
I'm trying to dodge some plants down there. It's like Black Hawk UH-60 on a rescue mission. I should bring, you know, toy soldiers and then do some, you know, rescue flying with a camera on board, trying to rescue some wounded soldiers. You know,
30 seconds.
we can choreograph something. A very nice video, a film.
20 seconds.
So my setup on this helicopter is like, after the normal flight, I set it up on an idle up, but I didn't switch the gyro to 3D mode. So you can see I'm still in stabilized mode, but I have collective pitch. That means if I'm flying and I have a plant in front of me, I can just jump up like that, and all the pilots and passengers, their guts will be in their knees. Will drop to their knees. So there's a bug on my hand. So this helps me give better control and, you know, still do scale flying, but not 3D. I cannot do any 3D. Black Hawk should not do that. Black Hawk probably should do this. Yeah, I mean, that loop is possible for Black Hawk.
Idle up 1.
but not like going inverted. Oh, I cut some of the shrub there. So there's a little one down here. Let's see if I can cut it or not without crashing my helicopter. That was big. Oh, they are strong. They are strong. So this is a scaled flight. I hope you're still enjoying it. Let's fly it on the road. There's no car around. And I'm just gonna give it a scaled landing. I should have brought one landing pad, you know. And I can actually drive it. It's actually fun to drive this helicopter, man. Look at that. It actually drives very well. Oh, I broke the light. I broke the light. I believe that the light holder is broken. Yeah, it is. It breaks super easy right under the battery. So now the light is hanging there and I cannot drive. Well, I can. Let the light point backward. We are grinding the light under the helicopter. Beautiful, man. The helicopter flies absolutely beautiful.
Flight warm-up.
You know, if you just want to sit and relax, that's where the scale flights come in. You can practice your controls, hover the helicopter close by to you, but don't get too close, don't get too fast. Practice your controls and do some scale flight only. So people, this is the scaled flight of Black Hawk UH-60 as you requested. I hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm gonna land and fly the helicopters. Have fun, stay subscribed to my channel and turn on all the notification by hitting that little bell icon and give this video a big like.
Throttle disabled.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.